Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a stock market toolkit with Rowe Price, complete guide step by step clearly. Building a stock market toolkit can enhance your investment strategy. Let's begin by gathering essential components for your toolkit. Start with a reliable brokerage account. Choose a platform that offers research tools and educational resources. Next, incorporate stock screening tools. These tools help identify potential investments based on specific criteria. Market news sources are crucial. Follow reputable financial news outlets to stay updated on market trends. Investment tracking software should also be included. This will help you monitor your portfolio's performance over time. Now, consider adding a stock analysis program. This enables deeper insights into individual stocks and sectors. Educational resources are key for improving your investment knowledge. Look for online courses or webinars focusing on stock market fundamentals. An economic calendar will keep you informed about important market events. Pay attention to earnings reports, economic indicators, and Federal Reserve meetings. Next, explore fundamental analysis resources. These can provide insights on company financials and market conditions. Technical analysis tools are also beneficial. They can help identify trading patterns and price movements. Determine how much risk you're willing to take on each investment. Consider journaling your investment decisions. This will help you reflect on your strategies and improve over time. Finally, review and update your toolkit regularly. As you progress in your investment journey, your toolkit should evolve. By integrating these elements, you will empower yourself for successful investing. Now, let's put your toolkit to work in the stock market. Make informed decisions and stay committed to your investment goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.